always you need to try something new, not just sit in your home and play video games. Like, I have never tried before canoeing or maybe indoor climbing, and because of this camp I can try it every single day.
This camp was really good for my English because I use really so much English, and I learned a lot of English here, and now I speak really fluently English. Now I have new friends and I feel new emotions that I never felt. So it's a really good experience.
Everybody is like a friend here.
Hello, my name is Marco Briccolasti. I'm the camp director here at International Camp Sancelso, and I've been the director for the last 6 years. So we created a safe environment where English is the common language for everybody, so thus coming to realize that the language is just a tool, because we very much focus on relationship, on creating connections between the participants. So we get to know that the world is wider than we think, and then we can start building international friendships, which is one of the goals of our experience here at Camp Sancelso.